Capitalizing and indenting. When you begin a document, the first word in your sentence is always going to be capitalized. To capitalize, you have to change something on the keyboard, and here's what you need to do. Your keyboard has two keys that affect capitalizing letters. One is the cap locks, and the other is the shift key. When I click cap locks, it's going to make every letter that I type capital, which is great if I want every letter that I type to be capital. But if I just want the first letter in my sentence to be capital, or the first letter in my word to be capital, I'm going to press down the shift key. While I hold the shift key, I click the letter that I'd like capital. Let's add one here. So while I hold down the shift key, I press the letter that I'd like capitalized, and I get a capital letter. If I use the cap locks key, all my letters are capital. Sometimes people use cap locks and click it down, type the letter, click cap locks again, and undo cap locks. It's a lot quicker to just use the shift key. So now you know how to capitalize a letter, but how do we indent? That's another key, because every time I press enter, and my keyboard's going to go down here too, so every time I press enter, I move to a new line. Here's my enter key over here. Every time I press enter, I move to a new line. When I start a new paragraph, I want to indent. To indent, I'm going to use the tab key. So let me press enter. And now when I press the tab key, it indents my paragraph.